Alright, welcome to Disbar Crooked Lawyers. If you're looking to find bar violations in an email exchange, here's a simple process you can set up. First, open a Word document. Copy and paste all your email exchanges with your lawyer, both your emails and their responses. Over time, you'll create a full document of the conversation, making it easy to see who said what and when. Once you have everything in one place, save it as a PDF or RTF file, which can be easily processed by ChatGPT. Next, go on over to ChatGPT, upload that email exchange, and use a prompt like, "Please analyze the email exchange for any bar violations or constitutional violations." Within moments, ChatGPT will highlight potential legal and constitutional concerns, breaking it all down for you in a nice, easy-to-read format. Now that ChatGPT has the full context in its memory, all you need to do is input a command like, "Write a bar complaint for the state of Washington against John Smith, bar number whatever, including constitutional violations, an affidavit of fact, and relevant case law. The complaint will be submitted by Janice Ackleroy of 123 Main Street in Seattle," and hit enter. And watch as it generates the document quickly. Here's the draft, and as you can see, it's pretty much complete. A few minor edits may be needed, but the bulk of the work is done that quick. From here, copy and paste the document into a new Word file. You might encounter a few stray characters, but that's easy to fix. Use the Find and Replace in the Edit menu to clean up any leftover formatting. For example, you can search for unwanted characters and simply highlight them. And when you go into the Find box, it'll have them already highlighted, and all you have to do is do it to all of them. These simple fixes like this make the document clean and ready to go. In just a few steps, you've turned an email exchange into a highly detailed bar complaint that fast. You can also customize your prompt by adding the attorney's full name, address, phone number, and any other specifics you'd like ChatGPT to incorporate into the next document. When you're ready, you can ask ChatGPT to check it for errors. It'll go down through the document and correct anything necessary. If there's a case number or any other details you want to include, add them to your next prompt, and then rerun the command to refine the document further. Use the same process of cut and paste and edit and put it back into ChatGPT again. This is how easy it is to create a professional bar complaint from an email exchange using AI. Once you're satisfied, copy and paste the final version into ChatGPT for last review, and it'll ensure everything is formatted and accurate. For an even more detailed review, you can use the Legal GPT feature within ChatGPT. Just upload the document there, and it'll enhance the content, making sure the language is legally sound and very professional. This feature is really powerful for creating disbarment complaints or addressing unethical lawyer behavior. Once the document is finalized, paste it back into your Word document, and you're done. You can either print it out and send it, or do it electronically nowadays. It'll even suggest the necessary attachments to include with your bar complaint. How cool is that? And that's a basic process. Repeat it until you're happy with the final product, and at the end, always ask ChatGPT to check for errors. By using the Legal GPT, you can create top-tier legal documents at lightning speed. So there you go. I hope this helps you navigate the process of disbarring your crooked lawyer. Over and out.